All right, Mr. Swain, where are you headed to? Where are you going?
We're about to do a drop off. It's a divide and conquer type of day. But hopefully we get content from both parties listing out the things that we do.
I'm about to go view a couple of properties in the medical area of the city of Houston. So if any of you are looking for Airbnbs to tap into that travel nurse, travel doctor system or ecosystem or business, then definitely stay tuned. I may have some properties that may be willing to lease to you. So just stay tuned. This is the cash flow team. All right, guys, I am standing in front of 4055 Braeswood. This is 4055 apartment homes. And as you can see, it's a little bit of an older unit. Honestly, I'm going to say not super excited, okay? I think this unit is older, so we'll start there. It's probably why they're allowing corporate leasing. I'm sorry for the background noise, and we are on the main street. But yeah, so it's a little bit of an older unit. Are they taking care of it like at a really good pace? I don't know, and those are the signs that you need to look for, because if it has like a bunch of flowers and, you know, landscaping is looking really nice, everything looks freshly painted or at least freshly power washed, you have a great maintenance team. If it's like, I don't think this has been painted in a couple of years, then that's when you're like, not sure. So I'm gonna save you guys the trouble. I am at 4055 apartment homes on Braeswood, and I'm going to see if they for sure do corporate leasing. I did a verification over the phone and they said it's a go, but I always like to go in the places myself and view the properties, see exactly, you know, what we should expecting. But another key is, like, when you see people hanging their clothes outside to dry, that's not the vibe we're going for. And it's so funny because if I like show you the sky, it's like, are you foreshadowing that this is not gonna be? All right, so stairwell is not that big of a deal, but you can see like the paint is like chipping and stuff. So at a luxury property, you would never see this, but of course at this type of property you will. Mind you, it has stairs, so just know for older guests, handicapped guests, this would not be an ideal unit. But for people who are looking to party out in the medical district, maybe this will be pretty good. So we're gonna go inside. Let me get my key together. All right, interesting. I'm not hating it, which is kind of like, which is why you have to go through the process, guys. Like you just have to keep going, even if you think it's a wash. You're like, okay, let me see what's going on here. All right, so no high ceilings. Okay, just want to make note of that, but that's okay. Love these granite countertops. Loving this dishwasher, black appliances. Okay, kitchen is tiny, but that's okay. That is okay. They're not staying in here forever. Fridge is cool. This is decent. And I think we have like a nice little hallway closet, which is, oh no, this is a bathroom. All right, tight little bathroom. But toilet is very straightforward. So I'm gonna turn this light off. So you have your bathroom and you have your hallway closet. Now guys, this is so key because I would have a hallway closet that is just for my restockables, like my paper towels, toilet paper, all the stuff my cleaning supplies, my cleaning staff guys need in order to replenish the bathrooms and kitchen. I would keep all of that stuff here. I would just change the lock to like a little key lock so nobody can get in and then keep it moving. But yeah, so huge living room, huge, huge, huge. And it's freshly painted, which is good. Let me see if I can turn some lights on. Only one light. So I would definitely make sure I have like a lamp or something in this space to kind of brighten it up. But we also have a balcony, which is nice. Would I advertise it? Great question. Not sure if I would do that, because what am I looking for? What am I looking to? So this is your balcony, and it's a shared balcony, as you can see. This would be the guests' views. I don't know, these clouds are not giving me life. They're giving me run. But hopefully I can get through this tour before the rain comes. But yeah, so that is the balcony, and it's also a second exit. All right. Okay, just gonna leave that right here. Okay, because that would be annoying to fix. But anyway, all right guys, so you see this is like a secondary balcony. This is the living room. All right, living room of the property. And now we're going to go up these stairs. I actually like the design of these stairs. I think this is so cool. I can see a lot of decor for all of my interior designers. You could really dress this place up. I think it's not bad. Yeah, just to wrap up my final thoughts on this apartment, guys, it's not a no for me. I wouldn't say no to it. I wouldn't recommend a beginner. So if I was coaching you and telling you, you know, like, let's do something, this is not what I would say. You would have to say, oh, I've had 4 Airbnbs. I have at least 2. I have a handyman staff. I already have a cleaning crew. I understand, you know, the types of things that break on properties, and I'm super available to come fix it myself. If my handyman is not available, then yeah, this is it. I think this is really nice. You would have to do some major decor just to make this space really, really pop out, which is not a bad thing. But it's really, really beautiful. The price, you cannot beat it. And again, they allow corporate leasing. So on to the next property. 3.